Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Nail Hobbyist. My name is Dina and I'm a French Canadian. Today we are going to have fun. We are going into the unknown. What we're doing is that I will be showing you step by step how to create a galactic nail. First of all, you want to apply your first coat of black or very dark blue. You want to cure that. Then you want to add your second coat, but leave it wet. Since your black gel polish, or what color you choose, is wet, you're going to do just a tiny little swoop. I chose royal blue, but you can choose whatever color you feel your galaxy has. So voila. Now the nail is fully cured, so all you need to do is wipe off that sticky residue. And then, because we are in a galactic or in a galaxy or in a cosmic, what I'm going to be using is glitter gel. So you can make that your own, mixing it. Voila. So that's what you do. You apply that. And that's going to start adding the dimension to your nail. Now that my glitter gel is cured, what I want to do is add some dimension. Okay, so right now I decided that in my galaxy I was going to put a little bit of pink. Now you might choose other colors. A lot of people would use maybe white or blue. So anyways, then you cure that, you fully cure that, and I come back with a nice base gel, because on top of that base gel, I'm going to be adding a nice big gem representing like maybe a planet or something. That's what I like about dimensional art like that. You can really, just go with what you like. After that, of course, on top of the base gel that is not cured, you want to put a top coat on top of there. Go all around your gem, not on top. After that, to add a more galactic feeling and maybe like, I don't know, I just felt like I needed more texture maybe. I added some caviar beads. They're like aqua green or something. I don't know, I just liked it. I find it looked good. And I'm just going to make a circle of all those caviar beads around my big gem, and I'm going to get rid of the two little ones. Now here is the final top coat and the final results. I want to thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe and all that good stuff. Bye-bye. Toodaloo!